Financial stability means different things to different people, but at its core, sound financial well-being is one of the stepping stones to a better quality of life. To address the obstacles that often prevent hardworking families with low income from getting ahead financially, United Way of Snohomish County promotes community change strategies to help families meet their basic needs while gaining financial capability to plan for and accomplish their long-term goals. United Way of Snohomish County, alongside many community partners, is working to increase financial stability in our community through innovative programs aimed at increasing income, savings, financial assets, and financial education and empowerment. These target areas have been designed to address barriers to achieving economic self-sufficiency by providing collaborative programs and services targeting households with low to moderate income. One of the ways we're aiding families in the area of increasing income is through awareness and outreach to provide free access to claiming federal tax credits, assisting with federal tax return filing, and streamlining tax customers' enrollment in income supports like public benefits.
My name is Eugene Roth, and I am a senior tax consultant with the Internal Revenue Service. EITC, the Earned Income Tax Credit, is a refundable credit, and the volunteers are trained to ask taxpayers questions when preparing a return that appears to qualify for the EITC. This ensures that the taxpayer receives the full amount of the credit that they're eligible for.
If people go to a paid preparer to claim the credit, the preparer will actually charge them additional money just to claim this credit. And the IRS estimates that 20% of people who qualify for the Earned Income Credit don't know that they do because the rules to claim it are so complicated. And what we're trying to do is make sure that people who are getting this money to meet their basic needs are getting it without any additional charges.
You know, with the background that I have in financial services, I thought this is someplace I can come to volunteer to really help these people out in making sure they get all of the benefits that they can from our tax law and help them achieve financial stability in that way.
It's very fulfilling to work at the tax site and help other people. You get them their income tax return. Again, if it's earned income tax credit, it tends to be quite large. It's a significant portion of their annual income. Their face lights up. Sometimes they start crying. Your face lights up. You feel really good about what you've done for these people, and you go home feeling like you're a better person.
This program has been a tremendous success. Since the partnership between United Way of Snohomish County and the IRS began in 2006, the program has grown steadily. United Way now has 6 free tax preparation sites throughout Snohomish County, and millions of refund dollars have been returned to the community over the years.
I'm here at the tax site to help people who are low income access some of the basic services that are available in the county.
We're able to, while they are waiting to get their taxes done, get people connected with children's medical coverage, with basic food program. When a family doesn't have to think about how am I going to pay for food this month, you know, they're better mental health, they're going to be better at work. They're not going to be focused as much on their financial difficulties.
United Way of Snohomish County has been an outstanding partner with the IRS. The dedication of the staff and the volunteers makes this partnership work.
Individual development accounts, or IDAs, are one of the cornerstones of a national financial asset building movement. IDAs are match savings accounts designed to encourage saving and investing in financial assets that increase in value over time, as well as the development of personal responsibility. Currently, the IDA program is very limited due to funding. We accept a small number of participants into the IDA program through referrals from our partner nonprofits.
Savings for anybody is difficult, and IDAs provide the motivation and incentive and I think encouragement that low-income and moderate-income families need to start saving and building assets.
IDAs are important because they help families gain the valuable skill of savings, which many of us lack. It helps them gain knowledge around financial literacy and helps them move forward in learning to manage their money rather than being managed by their money. Especially if you're living on a very tight budget, paycheck to paycheck, thinking that you have money to put away in savings is almost an unheard of goal. So these classes give them the skills to manage their money, to learn to save, to learn to adjust to situations that may arise in their life and help them be more successful.
The IDA program was, for our family, very important. It gave us pride in being able to save money, and it was small segments that we were able to accomplish. So each month we were able to see that we're getting ahead, and we took the skills that we learned in IDA. And so we have now a low impact development focused landscape design build company. And we also have a nonprofit that actually teaches people how to grow food in the city. It focuses on intense urban agriculture and community building.
I took all the classes and was like so excited by all the knowledge I was given that I never knew before about buying a house, or how you buy a house, or how you go about it, or all these opportunities. I didn't even know these things were even out there. Once I went through the program, it was like, how could you not take advantage of a lifeline being given to you? And that's kind of like why I really wanted to do this, was because it was a lifeline. It was an opportunity to gain knowledge.
It's not that overnight, all of a sudden we were able to sleep and know that our tomorrow will be taken care of, but it is the beginning of a path, and it's a really nice big beginning because it gives us the skill and it gives us the support. It with the matched funding, it really provides you with that feeling that people care, and if you help yourself, there is help out there, because it really did lead us to peace of mind and feeling full about life. So yeah, IDA really helped us in more ways than one. I think it helped us fill the gaps and make our life really round.
They really wanted me to succeed. In that program, we mattered as a person, and what we wanted, they were like, hey, I can help you get from point A to point B.
While income and developing a habit of savings are important, people, especially those with low income, also need access to low-cost financial products and services to better manage their money. The BankOn North Sound campaign is designed to create these kinds of opportunities.
The BankOn program is a collaboration between state agencies, nonprofits, and financial institutions. So that's banks and credit unions. And we collaborate together to create products, bank accounts, and financial education for the unbanked and the underbanked individuals in our communities.
Well, in Snohomish County, United Way again has helped bring together 13 local financial institutions that are providing this level of service with the BankOn Washington to our clientele or potential clientele within Snohomish County and all the cities that make up Snohomish County. The institutions within Snohomish County work very closely together to try to make this opportunity work and be a viable option to people that don't think they can open up a bank account.
Home Street wanted to be involved because we felt this program was so important. We've been trying to give back to our community since we were founded in 1921, and it's really something that's very much embedded in our culture. I participated in the BankOn program through Project Homeless Connect.
So if you're talking about somebody who's unbanked, that means that they do not have a bank account whatsoever. So they're generally cashing their checks at payday lenders and paying those really big high fees. They're getting small dollar loans, again, at really high interest rates. So they're spending their own money to get their own money. And then you have those who are underbanked who maybe they have a bank account, but they don't really use it.
So the BankOn program really is a second chance banking opportunity for a lot of folks that have possibly had bad experiences in the past. Most employers, more and more, doing direct deposit, don't want to write out a check. And if they don't have a bank account, they can't have their paycheck sent to them.
It works with these customers on a holistic view.
In the long run, we can let them take more money home with them where it should go.
It's important because it helps with follow-through. It helps with providing them financial education. It helps provide them other resources for whatever they need in their life, whether it's budgeting, planning, maybe it's even a social service. So it's not just about getting a bank account. It's about really helping individuals in our community for different aspects of their lives.
Reducing poverty and achieving financial stability and empowerment is a dynamic process in which households continuously gain money management skills, increase income, leverage savings into financial assets, and protect gains made along the way. The definition of financial stability is as diverse as the people we partner with and serve. Through our strategies like the free tax preparation program, individual development accounts, financial education, and BankOn North Sound, we are addressing some of the issues surrounding financial stability in our community. Financial stability benefits us all, and through this initiative, United Way of Snohomish County is working hard to strengthen our community.